A violent hailstorm has brought traffic to a halt on one of Italy's main highways, injuring a number of people and smashing car windows. The storm hit part of the northern stretch of the road between Milan and Naples, which runs for almost 500 miles. Hundreds of cars were pelted with hail, forcing drivers to pull up by the roadside and causing authorities to close part of the road for a short time. Footage broadcast by Italian weather channel Matteo Weather 24 showed vehicles with smashed windscreens stopped on the road as fires forced at least 900 people from their homes in central Sardinia. France and Greece sent 4 planes to help put out the wildfires, which consumed around 20,000 hectares in the Italian province